Hey everybody, it's Chiena from Auntie Gina's Cucina. Well, today I am making Pizza Rustica, Pizza Game, whatever you want to call it. Yes, that is my crazy dog barking in the background because I threw him outside. So I'm going to make the dough first because the dough needs to chill for about an hour. So we're going to start with, okay, I do it in a food processor because it's way easier. So it's 1, that's 2, and 3 cups of flour. In here, I have a teaspoon of sugar and a teaspoon of salt. So right now I'm going to try to pop the lid on, maybe not. Okay, there we go. So give it a quick pulse to mix everything together. I am going to start, turn it on, I'm gonna toss in the butter. If I can get this stupid piece off, there we go. And it's all you gotta do. I have 2 sticks of cold butter, cubed. And you just toss it in, that's why I like the food processor, because it does all the work for you. So, all right. So just keep throwing them in as much as you can. Try not to get your fingers in there because they don't want those kind of meats. All right, I have 2 eggs and 1. And I have 1/3 of a cup of milk. So we're going to add it a little bit and see. So it will come together and turn into a dough. And I'm going to chill it for about an hour. And then once this is all done, I'm going to roll it out. But I'll show you the next step because I'm going to make the filling after this. All right, everybody, now I'm making the filling. I have 1.5 pounds of ricotta cheese. I have 6 whole eggs. I have about a cup of chopped prosciutto and a cup of chopped speck. So I have about a cup of cubed fresh mozzarella, another cup of cubed provolone, and about 1/2 cup of salami. I have black pepper and 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. So now, by the time the dough chills, now here comes the fun part. This is the easy part. All you do, and thank God for the KitchenAid stand mixer, because if I had to do this by hand, there'd be no way. All right, so I put the paddle on. All right, turn it up and start on 1, okay? I'm gonna start with, everybody thinks it's so hard. It's just the first time you do it, all right? It gets a little crazy, but once you do it more, once or twice, you kind of get the hang of it. Now you just dump everything in the bowl. Thank God the store had this stuff already chopped. I really didn't have to do much. So now we just dump that in. All right, pop in the ham. This one's easier to grab. All right. Throw in the provolone in. All right. And mozzarella. And all you're doing is drop and mix. Now, 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. This is essential. I'm putting in a teaspoon of black pepper. So, but the speck also has black pepper, don't forget. And now, just putting the eggs in one at a time. So this way they get incorporated. Oh, there goes two. So, yeah, you want it mixed really, really well. You don't want to get a chunk of something. And then stop it and scrape the sides down. All right? So, I'm gonna let that mix for like a minute or so. While my dough is chilling, this will be done. And I'm gonna roll it out, and I have a 12-inch spring form pan. I'm gonna roll it out, line the pan, and I'll show you what the next step is. All right, everybody. Now I've put the dough, I rolled it out. See how thick it has to be? I don't know, what is that, 1/4 of an inch or something like that? So now, I rolled out the top layer. So, and now, oops, there you go. So all you gotta do is dump. All right. And get all this lovely goodness into here. So, and just spread it out. And put it right over and just pinch the edges. This dough is really soft and it's easy to play with. All right. And now with a knife, just cut along the edges. It just sounds hard, but it's really not. I mean, so, and just like I said, just pinch a little bit so it kind of sticks together. You do have to poke some holes. It's like almost like an apple pie. I have 1 egg. I beat it and just spread it right over. You're painting a beautiful food canvas. So, I have my oven preheated at 375 and it's going to bake for an hour and a half. I am putting it on a cookie sheet so it's just easier to grab when it's done. So I hope you enjoy it. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Bye.